Any other questions, guys?
You hear what's going on?
Yeah, sort of.
Lock and load!
I want to try and get as close to a police station as possible.
Okay, that's cool.
Because if we can cut them off there, they can't get in their castle, they can't get to the police station, they can only get in the black hole. Pretty much we just gotta sprint it.
That's cool.
If we can get Brady up
Who's
there.
calling me?
That's where the building's trying to take cover in it, and all of a sudden you see it's tagged.
We're trying to hit police station, so.
3, 2, 1, go, 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 go!
Watch that door. Fuck it. Push up, push up. Ooh, lay it around. You gotta call that. Oh, what the fuck? Ain't no fucking way. Oh! Got one? Oh, good stuff, bro. Fine, pull me back. Medic, medic, medic! Blue medic! Nate! Got one. Yo, who's this guy right here? Oh.
We're trying, but it would use my grenade, so.
Hit. Good stuff, bro. I don't got heater.
I don't have any more ammo, so the only thing I can do is res people.
There's a guy right here in the bottom. Hey.
Tower window!
Window though. Oh, my bad. Oh shit! Scared the fuck out of me. Oh. First window, left side. Hold that headshot. Yeah, I got one of them.
Yeah, but mine has a split right hook. I can hit I shot in like 5 times. Oh yeah, I got that.
You see him? That sniper? Oh shit, watch out. Excuse me. Yep. They're wrapping around woods.
Oh, good shot.
Yo, gut shot, come on. orange. Yo, other side of Legos.
Yeah, don't pee that one.
Yeah, another one. Oh shit. Yo, he's right there, 12 o'clock. Right in front of you.
He's down.
Good shit.
He's down.
Good shit. Nice try.
What do you want me to do here?
Corner.
Corner of trailer?
Yeah.
Oh, that.
You better call that. Good shit.
I'm gonna run trailer.
Good. He's down. He's down. There's another one. There's another one in the van. Yo, there's like. Barrel on Legos. Got one. I got him.
I might have, I doubt it.
Behind? Oh, they popping smoke behind us. I'm going that way. Yeah. Oh! Damn! Behind? Oh, they popping smoke behind us. I'm going that way. Oh! Damn! Ah! I'm about to go outside and go around.
Sure?
Yeah. You stay inside though. Distract them.
Okay. I'm gonna shoot above your head. Go.
Blue over. Got your boot, bro. I'm like, dang. Automatic now. He just went past the door. Yo. Medic. Let's do five. Good.
I'm not even playing, you know?
Come here. Do five with the 3-5. You're good. Watch it cross. Diagonally across.
General store.
Yeah, that one. Right across. Down there, they're all with the trenches.
Get some more guys in the trench. Go, go.
Trenches.
Trench, go.
They want the trenches. Push out. Push out.
Go.
Good.
Okay, there's one in the far room down that way.
Don't shoot us, please, with that.
Oh shit.
I thought that was a grenade. Was that a grenade?
I did.
Alright, we got as soon as you pick that corner, yep. 4x4. Yeah, there's 2 of them in there.
Is that a guy? Hey, ref, we're shooting that guy's back with the team back.
Smoke, don't smoke.
What's that smoke bill? Can you hold it? Alright, go. Go.
Ah, it.
Tower.
Thank you.
Suppress those towers.
You see his gun barrel?
Yep.
I guess he don't care about his gun.
Yo, that shit was important.
I didn't see the rest there.
Oh, like up top. Up in the barrel.
With a launcher on there.